Okay, so you found the bank with the wind pushing onto the bank, but you're saying, where do I start? Where do I cast? Where do I begin? Where are the bass at? How are they situated? Well, to understand how the bass are set up, this is my river current examples. So if you're in a river, take a river, you got a current pushing one way. So you got your water here. Let's say you got a big rock. It's a rock, I guess. It's a rock. Got your water going across that rock. Let's make it go down in the water a little bit more. Got a big rock. Current is going this direction. So you have your current going this way. It's actually hitting off that rock and wrapping around a little bit, banging off that rock. Well, the bass are going to be situated facing the current. So you got your bass back here. Happy bass. Happy bass. Back here. And basically he's sitting in this slack water back here where the rock or structure is creating that current break, that wind break. So even on a lake, those bass are going to be situated behind that rock, that structure, facing into that wind or current. Basically letting those bait fish that are out here get pushed around this rock where he can come out and eat it. Without having to swim a lot. Also behind this rock, he's relaxing because the wind isn't pushing him, causing him to constantly have to swim. He's got a break behind whatever structure. Similar to on a lake, when you got that wind on that bank, you want to look for something on that bank, rock. It just can even be grass, can be a break here. The same thing where they're sitting behind the grass or somewhat in the grass. Something that creates that break, that ambush spot that they can kind of hide behind, as well as get that current flowing around them, that oxygenated water, and be able to ambush their prey. So keep that in mind. When you're on a lake, going a certain direction, you actually want to be back here. This is your boat back here. Terrible drawing. You want to be casting this way, up here, landing your lure here and bringing it back through here, because that bass is facing this way. You can still catch them this way, obviously, in current. It just depends. They don't always have to be, you don't always have to be going against the wind, but 9 times out of 10, this is going to be your best odds of catching it if you're going against the wind, casting into the wind and bringing that bait back across that structure or past that structure where a bass is likely to be set up behind it.